Oh my goodness. Holy epic, epic, epic. This is gonna be epic. Drop me a bird. Give me the bird. Give me the bird. Yes. This could get crazy. This could get crazy. That was multiplier. That was even just those hits. Oh, bird. Oh, bird, bird, bird. Bird is the word. I don't know what it is. Okay, it's $166 what it is. Come on, we got plenty of spins for more birds. Plenty of spins for more birds. Plenty of spins for more birds. Come on, birds. 10 times multiplier. I want to hit on the 20 times. Give me like a full tigers all the way across. Retrigger again. Oh my god, retrigger again, retrigger again. Yes! Holy crap, this could be off the chain. I wasn't even ready for this. I just came home. I just was like, let me do a couple spins. I just hit a bonus right before this one on 250 for like $509. So this could be unreal right here. This could be thousands upon thousands upon thousands. Just in one big line here. That was crazy. That dropped way too close. Okay, we're at 500. With freaking 14 more spins to go. Oh, lions. Oh, lions. Bigger. Just jacks. Look what just jacks did. What did just jacks baby? 16 times more jacks. Jacks is 16. I'm not pushing any buttons. I'm not pushing any buttons. I'm not rushing this. That was just little old jacks. How much? Oh my goodness. 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 384 just for a little line of jacks. You have 14 more spins. I know you got more birds than you. I know you got more birds than you. Just retrigger again. Let's spin all night. Let's run out my hard drive. Come on, come on. 900. Okay, here we go. Here we go. 10 spins to go. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. Holy epic, epic, epic. This is gonna be epic. I hope this is recording okay. I didn't do my sound. I hope you guys are getting sound. Just for that, just for the emeralds, right? Just for the emeralds. That 20x. Am I seeing this right? It's $200 at 20x. That was just the emerald hit. 1,112 with 10 more spins. I'm gonna get sick to my stomach. Come on. 19 spins. Come on, baby girl. Come on, baby girl. We're breaking CHUMBA tonight. We'll do another break. I want a $5,000 hit right here. Got plenty of time to do it. 16 more spins. 24x. 25x. I would have crapped it. Bird. Where's my bird? Give me the bird. Give me the bird. Give me the bird. Give me the bird in the corner. Give me my little bird. Come on, bird. Come out. 13 spins. Nines paid. Jesus. Oh, come on, baby. Come on. One more bird. Give me another bird across the board. It doesn't even have to be birds. Give me 84 or something. There we go, bird. Come on, big bucks bird. Big bucks bird is 10s. What is that? Kings? Okay, Kings. Kings. What do Kings pay? At 31x with 9 spins to go. 31x with 9 spins to go. It's just adding. It's just adding. It's adding. Holy cannoli. I just got born. I just got home. I just walked in the door. I just walked in the door. Already hit one bonus, got me to 540, whatever that is up there. I was doing 250 bets, and I said, screw it, let's go do a couple fives. Like third spin in, hit the bonus, re-trigger again. I'll re-trigger again. Gosh, what a waste of a wild. Come on, bird. 76 more spins for another bird. Blue. 3 little blue snakes. What does that play? 3 little blue snakes at 34x. This thing's pretty. It's pretty. 136 bucks for 3 little symbols. Oh my gosh, bird. Give me a bird again. Give me those lions. Those tigers, whatever. Jaguar, whatever it is. All the way across. I'll take him all the way across in 2 cans. Just give me some bird. 37x. 2 cans. I wanted 2 cans. I got 2 cans. What is this screen of 2 cans? Okay. Oh my god, the numbers are moving so fast. The numbers are moving really ridiculously fast. It's at 500, hasn't even got 600, 700. Holy crapola. Holy crapola. Holy crapola. Holy shit. Oh. I'm not touching it. I'm not touching it. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to let it roll. You can see what happens here. One more bird, 2 spins. How about one more bird or a re-trigger? One more bird or a re-trigger, and it's just, oh, I got excited. I got too excited. Last spin, bird, last spin, 40x. Big aces all the way across. 8, 4 aces. I don't even know. It's moving fast again. I don't know. Holy crap. Holy crap. DballerSlots here. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, I guess, if you're watching. But what a great video. What a great win. Right on. Let's go. DballerSlots. Peace. I'm out, man. Wow.